I asked if he was a jack of all trades.
Yes, he is. He is a Peugeot mechanic. He's a forex trader sometimes seasonally, right? He's a teacher. He's an ethical hacker sometimes. He also leads worship in his church sometimes. Doesn't mean he's a pastor, right? Be serious now. I'm actually trying to answer the question.
I'm sorry. Apologies.
Basically, what I'm trying to say is, Raymond is a businessman. That encompasses everything.
Yeah, true.
What works at the moment and makes him money is what he does. And you know the beautiful thing about that? So many of you people in this life are the exact same way. Yeah. But you will not fucking admit it. You say, I'm a nurse, I'm a this, I'm a that. But when opportunity comes for you to make money from a business, you take it. Because your salary is probably not enough for you to live on. Is it? The economy is hard for everybody. Even me, as me are like this. It's tough.
You're a jack of all trades.
Yes, I jag everything. One moment, I'm advertising for NNPC. The next moment, I'm snitching on them. I'm going to advertise for Dangote. I will do it. I don't care. Are they paying? I will collect the money. What? I should not feed my family. Kenny?
Alpha, relax.
It's right, work. No, wait. It is work. As long as it's honest, you're not stealing. You're not doing fraud. You're not hurting other people, right? What is wrong with doing advert work? What is wrong with being a Peugeot mechanic today? What is wrong with tomorrow? You are a tailor. To next tomorrow, you are a designer. What's wrong with it? It's honest work. Is it stealing?
No.
Did he steal from you? Has anybody ever accused him? Right? We all know many people on TikTok that are always being accused.
No, my point is that.
No. We all know many people. Okay. No, we all know many people on TikTok.
Or something.
Yeah? That are popular. And constantly people have come out to accuse them of being fraud, of stealing from them, of owing them money. Has anybody ever come out and said, Raymond stole from me? I'll tell you guys something. When I wanted to do this shoot, yeah, I reached out to Raymond, right? We had agreed we were going to do it. I wanted us to do it earlier. I offered constantly to send him tickets. I offered constantly to pay for his flights and everything. He said no. He said he would rather wait until he could afford to pay for it by himself, and then he would come. The only thing that I did for him was book his hotels. That to me tells me that is somebody who understands the value of money, doesn't want to be a freeloader and depend on other men. He wants to actually carry his own weight and do his thing. How many of you can confidently say there's nobody in this world that you're owing one kobo, that you have not been a freeloader to? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So there's absolutely nothing, see that question, there's absolutely nothing wrong with somebody being a jack of all trades. I recommend it all the time. I tell people to learn multiple skills. I tell people to do multiple things. Now, if you now want to argue that maybe he's not all those things he says he does, that's between you and him. I don't give a shit. But if he's doing multiple things and he's bringing money and he's not stealing from your father, relax, fam. He's not.
Thank you very much for that clarity. So final question now. This is my final question. I wanted to give.
I use my gun and beg.
Okay. They don't cut me warning. Me comment section. But it's okay. So final question. Actually, I wanted to give context, but I'm not going to give context. Let me just go to